blood red with a band of orange, some yellow and a halo of pure white. The cloudless skies over southern Spain begin to glow with the day's first light. Gibraltar, just to the east, appears blue. And the waters of the Alboran Sea are black. Our 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster GTS, Miami blue over black, is still damp from sleeping outdoors. There's an issue, but it isn't light or sound. The Porsche's turbocharged horizontally opposed four-cylinder comes alive with a pop through its two sizable center-mounted exhaust pipes and quickly settles into a rhythmic thrum as it shakes off the overnight cold. Its tires thump over the cobblestones of the hotel's drive. It's warmth we need. And coffee. Summer Pirellis need heat to work, and still on California time, we are desperate for a double espresso. Until they come, this 2018 Porsche Boxster GTS and Spain's cold, and in some cases ancient, asphalt are a dicey combination. Just a few corners into the narrow and twisting two-lane winding through the coastal hills, and it becomes obvious that grip-on is a real problem. Incidentally, it seems that the Spanish have a love of off-camber corners, because they all are. PSM officially stands for Porsche Stability Management, but the system is earning its nickname, Please Save Me. Without its intervention, our turquoise two-seater would have already kissed the hillside at least twice, or worse, it would have smashed through the spindly-looking rail that lines the trail and smashed its mid-engine self to bits on the rocks below. The good news is that our caffeine Jones has been replaced with a flood of endorphins triggered by the instinctual desire to live.